What is up, everybody? Brian Mackey here, and on today's home tour we have a phenomenal property in the Adelia at Old Goodwood subdivision here in Baton Rouge. And before I jump into the property, the home tour, feel free to reach out if you're interested in buying or selling in the area at 225-337-6363. My wife Janelle and I would love to help you out. And I wanted to say a special shout out to Nicoletta Frank for allowing me to tour the home. She's a listing agent on the property, and BNC Construction, they're the custom home builders. And if you want their contact information, I'm going to drop it in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this bad boy. You're going to love it. All right, so here we are, guys. Beautiful home in the Adelia at Old Goodwood subdivision, like I mentioned. Completed back in August of 2023, so this one is just looking good. Here's a quick look at the neighborhood. A couple lots still left to be built. That building off to the left with all the parking was actually some sort of hospital back in the day. So a little bit of history there, but let's just jump right into the home here. As you can see, grand entrance, super tall ceilings with the gas lantern and that little detail of the wood inlay there on the ceiling. Headed into the entryway, they have the wood beams with a nice wallpaper, a detail again that this home, you're going to see a lot of details in this home that just kind of pop. This room right here would be your dining room, looking straight off into the neighborhood there with a built-in bar that we're going to be walking up to in just a moment. Hardwood floors throughout. Obviously, as a $1.6 million home, no stone is left unturned. Jumping into the living room and the kitchen area here. All the light features are really nice. Just, they didn't go basic, so you're going to get your money's worth here. But a massive fireplace there with a huge center island for everybody to gather around, with the built-in stainless steel appliances, the two different freezer refrigerator combination that kind of flank the windows there, and you can have some additional seating as they have here displayed. But let me know what you guys think in the comments so far below. Tons of storage space. This one right here would be just kind of like a sitting room just off of the patio, and as you can see, the back patio has, we'll get to it in a moment, a built-in grill, outdoor kitchen, and then the pool, of course. But jumping back into the kitchen, like I said, the refrigerator and the freezer kind of flank the stove area there. I thought that was pretty unique, different. 6-burner stove, and each one of the handles on the cabinetry there, the custom cabinetry, is that unique black and gold pull. So definitely differentiate yourself from your neighbors with the gold faucet and many of the nice accents throughout. This area here is going to be, as I get to it, off to the right hand side is where you're going to have your pantry. And they went all out with this door, I'm not going to lie. And I think the ceilings downstairs are 12 feet. And upstairs you get the 10-foot ceilings, so the storage kind of goes all the way up in the pantry with this one, all the way to the 12 foot. Every inch is utilized. But yeah, a nice little butler's pantry there with a really unique door that has the natural light coming in, shining through. So I thought that was a nice feature. But let's jump on into the first of the 6 bedrooms as we walk through and get a nice look at that fireplace and the stone and tile work that they did. But jumping into the first of 6 bedrooms, and I believe 4 of the bedrooms have an ensuite bathroom, so that's pretty cool because there's 5.5 baths. So if you have a big family or, an extended family that needs to stay guests, what have you, they're going to have plenty of space in this house. Beautiful tile work. I actually like that little design they did there. It's kind of monochromatic, but it's super clean. Jumping into, I guess, bathroom here. They have a nice gold or copper sink there that I thought was a nice touch with wallpaper. So they did some really nice things. And then to the left, you can see the laundry room, but we'll head straight into what would be the master bedroom off of the pool. You can see the pool from this area, and it has a nice, again, more wallpaper to kind of add to that extra detail there. There's the pool right after the master suite there. Which, if you have your kids swimming or that, you can keep an eye on them if you're having to jump into your bedroom. But this bathroom is absolutely gorgeous with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling, and with the shelving there too, and some storage. That's pretty cool. A lot of times I see the tub just alone, and it kind of looks lonely. And now you have the storage on both sides, with the storage going all the way up with the nice tile design too. So, isn't her vanities. Shower, kind of glanced over that, but you have a nice walk-in shower as well with a massive closet. And so, like I said, 12-foot ceilings all the way around. Here's the laundry room with a sink and more storage for all your chemicals and stuff. But the tile in that master laundry room suite, I guess you call it, is pretty sick. I like it. And here's one of the garage stalls, and this one they're saying is more of like to hold your jet skis, boats, different things like that if you're into outdoors, those kind of things, or more storage, if you will. But that's one of the stalls there, and we're going to head into the actual garage, the 2-car garage, here in a sec as we go through the living room. There I am. So here would be your actual garage, and everything is insulated, and it has the window outside, so it's nice and bright, but everything's insulated. So you technically have 3 garage doors, but one was a little smaller for your, like I said, your jet ski or your boat, things like that. A little storage underneath the stairs. And then let's go ahead and head upstairs and see what it looks like. Upstairs, like I said, 10-foot ceilings. There's going to be 4 bedrooms up here. I think 2 of which have bathrooms attached to it. So that's pretty cool. One of them could be, like I said, a mother-in-law suite earlier. And so, massive landing, common area that everybody can gather around. Maybe put a little bit of seating up there. And then here's the largest of the bedrooms upstairs. Again, has a bathroom attached to it as well. A nice little look out into the world, and that with that window there, like a little reading nook. And then you have your your closet area with its own ensuite bathroom. That door right there is to all the utilities and the inner workings of the home that's upstairs in the attic. But here's your bathroom. On into the 3 other bedrooms upstairs here. Hardwood floors throughout. All of the lighting, you have your ceiling fan, and then you have your recessed lighting. This is a guest bathroom / I want to call it an ensuite because there's the door right there to the next room. So I thought that was pretty cool. And this has the tile backing on the shower with the insets. I should have went to that closet. Closet wraps all the way around for ample storage. So again, if you have a large family, you're not going to be worrying about storage at all. Here's a 3rd bedroom upstairs, which is pretty cool because it has the ability to walk out to a balcony. It's a shared balcony with the next room that we're going to head into, but another massive closet for this bedroom. And then again, it peeks out into that area there where they're going to, right now it holds the offices for the builders, but they're going to be, as they transition out to selling all these homes, into creating the HOA, and that's probably where all the operations are going to start. And they're going to have some common areas, some games, and community events there. And here's the last of the bedrooms with, again, that same view going out to a patio, which I'm going to go out to in just a moment. But this bathroom is really nice. The flooring, the tile work is just sparkly. So you're not missing out on any of the bathrooms. If you were forced to live up in this bedroom, you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to tell you that. Even the sink work here, that countertop is sick. So let's just jump out to the balcony real quick. Yeah, it's got a nice view, which is pretty cool. So you share it with that other bedroom like I mentioned, but I don't mind just to be able to pop out there, hang out, enjoy the weather when it's not super hot. You could probably screen this out so that you don't get insects and stuff, but definitely a nice feature that you don't see too often. So heading back down, we're going to check out the pool and the little kitchen area. But like I said, this home is right now offered a little over 1.6 million, 6 bedrooms, 6 baths, has the loft, 12-inch ceilings, built-in bar in the dining room like we talked about, the quartz countertops, Wi-Fi, built-in speakers throughout the home, outdoor kitchen, master closet island that we saw there, high-end appliances, the works. The pool outside, as you can see, there's another fireplace, which is pretty cool, but the pool outside is a gunite pool with the spa combo, and it actually has, not only does it have gutters all the way around, here's your kitchen, your outdoor kitchen island and all that, but not only does it have gutters all the way around, but it also has a complete built-in sprinkler system and a whole house generator, which we all know how that's important to have in Louisiana. So let me know what you guys think about the property. I'm going to continue walking around, getting the side yard here. There's all the pool equipment, but it's a great property. The subdivision is relatively new, where all the homes are pretty much of equal stature. It's a gated community, and the builder has spared no expense to make sure that this is the home that you're going to be proud to live in if you buy it. So if you're thinking about buying in the area, definitely reach out. Janelle and I, my wife, can get you into some of these homes and see what it looks like to live in the Baton Rouge area. If you had any questions, we'd be happy to help you and answer those questions. This is pretty much centrally located in Baton Rouge in the Old Goodwood area. Like I said, it's the Adelia at Old Goodwood subdivision that they created here, and it is just beautiful. I'm actually going to tour one of the other homes that Nicolette has listed. It's right down the street. You can't really see it, but it's a little bit smaller. It's offered at 1.2. But yeah, this subdivision is really nice, and I am digging it. So I just wanted to get you guys a perspective of what the outdoor facade looked like, again, with the garage doors and everything like that. There's your neighbor with a rock accent kind of separating you guys. And again, here's the look of the neighborhood as well, with the wide streets. And yeah, so that's the house there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you're interested in buying in the Baton Rouge area or Prairieville, Denham Springs, Louisiana in general, think of Relocate, let me know. Contact me at 225-337-6363, or you can contact my wife Janelle at 915-494-8535, and we can get you into a home just like this. All right.